Have you ever noticed that when you're about to do something important, your mind wanders into this world of what ifs? What if I mess up? What if I don't perform well? Or even worse, what if my worst nightmare happens? Well, let me tell you, you are not alone. These thoughts are like unwanted house guests who have overstayed their welcome. But guess what? You have the power to kick them out and create a mental environment that's all about winning. In this video, we're going to talk about a technique that is so powerful it has been used by top athletes and successful entrepreneurs to achieve peak performance and crush their goals. And the best part, it won't cost you a dime. Get ready to learn how to visualize your way to success. First things first, get crystal clear on your goal. It's like setting the North Star for your visualization journey. Think about what you want to achieve with laser focus. Is it acing that upcoming exam, crushing it in your next job interview, or maybe hitting a home run in the big game? Whatever your goal is, write it down, make it specific and measurable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be good at public speaking," write down, "I want to deliver a confident and engaging presentation that wows my audience." By getting super clear on your goal, you give your visualizations a precise target to aim for. Next up, let your imagination run wild. It's time to create a vivid mental rehearsal of your success. Close your eyes and imagine yourself already having achieved your goal. See yourself crossing the finish line, feeling the adrenaline rush, hearing the roar of the crowd. Or picture yourself nailing that presentation, seeing the impressed faces of your audience, and feeling the satisfaction of a job well done. The more detailed your visualization, the better. Imagine every aspect of your success, from the sights and sounds to the feelings, and even the smallest details. This is your mental playground, so have fun with it. But hold on a second, we're not just daydreaming here. There's a strategy at play. Our brains are wired to respond to visual stimuli, and by creating these vivid mental images, we activate the same neural pathways as if we were actually experiencing the event ourselves. This is why visualization is such a powerful tool. It is like a mental time machine that transports you to the future and lets you experience success before it actually happens. Now let's talk about the nitty-gritty, the practical tips and tricks that will make your visualizations even more effective. First, make it personal. When you're visualizing, use first-person language and immerse yourself in the experience. Instead of saying, "I see myself winning the championship," say, "I am winning the championship." This helps you feel like you are truly living the moment and increases the emotional impact of your visualizations. Next, engage your senses. Don't just visualize what you see. Bring all your senses into the mix. Imagine the sounds you hear, the smells you detect, the taste in your mouth, and even the physical sensations you feel. For example, when you're visualizing a successful job interview, imagine the feeling of shaking the interviewer's hand, the scent of the freshly brewed coffee in the waiting area, and the sound of birds tweeting outside the window. The more senses you engage, the more real the experience becomes in your mind. Another powerful tip is to use positive affirmations. As you visualize, repeat positive affirmations that reinforce your belief in yourself and your ability to achieve your goal. For example, say things like, "I am confident," "I am capable," "I am unstoppable." These affirmations help reprogram your subconscious mind and build your confidence. Okay, now let's talk about timing. It's important to find the right time and place to visualize. Choose a quiet and comfortable spot where you won't be interrupted. This is your sacred space where you can fully immerse yourself in the experience. Some people visualize first thing in the morning when their minds are fresh, while others prefer to do it before bed. Experiment and find what works best for you. Now, let's talk about the power of emotion. When you're visualizing, really feel the emotions associated with your success. Let yourself experience the joy, the pride, and the accomplishment of achieving your goal. This is what makes visualization so incredibly effective. It's not just about creating a mental image. It's about connecting with the feelings that come along with it. Alright, we've covered a lot of ground, but now it's time to put it all together. Let's walk through a practical example. Imagine you're an athlete training for an important competition. Your goal is to win the gold medal in the 100-meter dash. Here's how you can use visualization to get there. Step 1. Get crystal clear on your goal. Picture yourself crossing the finish line in first place, feeling the weight of the gold medal around your neck and hearing the national anthem being played in your honor. Write down your goal specifically. I will win the gold medal in the 100-meter dash at the upcoming competition. Step 2. Let your imagination run wild. Close your eyes and visualize yourself successfully completing the race. Imagine the starting gun being fired, the crowd cheering you on, and the feeling of your feet pounding the track as you move faster than you ever have before. See yourself crossing the finish line with the other competitors trailing behind you. Visualize the joy and pride you feel when you're announced as the winner. Step 3. Make it personal. Use first-person language and say things like, I am strong, I am focused, I am unstoppable. Feel the rush of adrenaline, the sweat on your forehead, and the determination in your heart. Step 4. Engage your senses. Imagine the smell of the freshly cut grass under your feet, the sound of the crowd cheering, and the feel of the wind rushing past you as you sprint. Step 5. Use positive affirmations. Repeat affirmations like, I am the fastest runner, I am destined to win, I am a champion, and finally, Step 6. Do it consistently. Practice your visualization technique daily, ideally in the same place at the same time. This helps ingrain the experience in your mind and makes it feel more real. Visualize yourself winning the gold medal every morning when you wake up and before you go to bed. Congratulations, you've now learned a powerful tool that can help you achieve your goals. Remember, visualization is like a mental rehearsal. The more you practice it, the better you become at it. So keep visualizing, keep believing, and watch as your dreams become reality. If you found this advice helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And hey, if you want to dive deeper into the topic, I've got another video on 7 ways to build self-confidence and get out of your own head. Click here to check it out. Until next time, keep visualizing, keep believing, and keep crushing your goals. Thanks for watching.